Welcome back. I hope you are doing great. As a part of this section, we'll try to understand about the data sources. As a part of that, data frame reader, data frame writer, and what are the data sources from which we can read the data and create data frames. After that, we'll try to understand what are the different options in reading and writing the data from different data sources. As a part of this lecture, at a high level, we'll understand what are the different data sources supported by Spark. Before we get into data sources, what are data sources? Data source may be the initial location where data is bar or where physical information is first digitized, or in a very layman terms, source from which the data is created. Now, what are the different types of the data sources, or what are the type of data sources? We have structured data sources, semi-structured data sources, unstructured data sources. Does the Spark support all of these data sources like structured, unstructured and also semi-structured? Yes, it does. That is a wonderful thing about the Spark. Now that we understood, Spark supports structured, semi-structured and unstructured. As a part of all those three types of data sources, there are 6 core data sources supported by Spark and also hundreds of external data sources. Wow, isn't it great? The ability to read and write from all different kinds of data sources, for the community to create its own contributions is one of the greatest strengths of Spark. Let's look at the types of data sources. As we understood, we have 6 core data sources supported by Spark. What it means is, when you install Spark, 6 core data sources are supported by default. Let us look at which are those. First and foremost thing is structured data sources. Within the structured data sources, we have any database which has JDBC and ODBC connections is supported as a data source from which the Spark can read the data. In the semi-structured, we have CSV file, we have JSON file, next one being Parquet file, last one is ORC. In the unstructured format, we have text files. To summarize, when you install Spark, by default, these 6 data sources are supported. Apart from these 6 core data sources, Spark also has a wonderful community where those community people would have taken the Spark code and they would have developed a code to support different kinds of sources. Some of them being Cassandra, MongoDB, HBase, AWS, Amazon Redshift. The next one is XML. So these are the different community created data sources which Spark is supporting. Not only this, there are many more including these community created data sources. Thank you.